I'm going to take a short walk-around video of my 1972 Buick Riviera Silver Arrow 4. That's good sunlight today. It's not quite on the front of the car like it should be. See a number of changes on the front, including the bumper guards that are separated out. They were next to the license plate. Those had to be reformed, and inside plates fabricated. The grille has a white surround. It has a Riviera emblem that was removed and a Riviera script replaced, and a Tri-Star ornament on the front of the hood. The main things are the sheet metal light panels with the Lexan lens has been fabricated, and the correct style wire wheels that the Silver Arrow 3 has, and white wall tires, and original interior. Very nice. It's a low mileage car. I forget now what my mileage is, somewhere around 85,000 or 90 or so. And I removed the wheel trim rings, although those can be put on. All these changes are reversible. And you can see on the top I have the reflector lights on the Silver Arrow 3. Those are third brake lights with a wind split in the back glass. Then the tail lights are changed to have little slits, so rather than have a having the reflector and two tail lights and a backup light, I now have 4 tail lights rather than 2 tail lights. And so that's all custom made with a Frenzel clear lens over the red lens. So all the reflector, all that had to be custom made. And a handmade Tri-Star emblem for the trunk lid. So there's no key. It has the electric solenoid release, which works. So that's how I get access to the trunk. And that's the original paint on the car, 1972. An original vinyl top. So a much more streamlined, sleek look with the Silver Arrow modifications to the front versus the original, but I have all the parts in the trunk that would put it back to factory. And that's pretty much it. Also, I had mounted a rear antenna on it, and I have the right hand mirror on it. That was a little bit rear. So runs fantastic, very fast, all original, not restored.